The Air Jordan 5 Transformers, specially created for Mark Wahlberg, was designed directly by Jordan Brand to celebrate the release of Michael Bay's film Transformers: The Last Knight. While fans may recall the DB Jordan 5, this edition stands apart with unique detailing such as the year '84 embroidered on the sides, marking the debut of the Transformers series. Optimus Prime's signature colors appear on the Jumpman tongue, while the sneaker also features a bold shark tooth overlay. Completing the design is a glow-in-the-dark outsole with the Transformers logo on the forefoot, making it a collector's gem. Interestingly, images of Wahlberg's one-of-a-kind Air Jordan 4 Transformers by the shoe surgeon also surfaced recently, but this official AJ5 release ties the collaboration directly to Jordan Brand, elevating both sneaker culture and Transformers nostalgia.